Hello everyone, my name is Nadine. I'm the owner of NG Platinum Homes and welcome. Today we're going to talk about ways to make your tiny bathroom seem larger with a few simple tips. So let's get into it. The first way that you can make your tiny little bathroom seem bigger is simply by changing the paint. So if you don't want to have a tiny little bathroom seem so tiny, make your colors on your walls bright. Whites, creams, or any of those light shades. When you make the walls dark, or even if you have wallpaper on there that's very busy, that will really enclose your bathroom and you don't want that. So try eliminating those and making a light color scheme in your bathroom. The second thing that you want to do is if you have a bathroom that has a shower and a curtain, that can really enclose the space. So you don't really want to do that. You want to expand that. And how you can do that? By putting in a shower glass door. And that's going to really expand the space and make it seem a lot larger than it actually is. Another thing that you can do is if you're doing more of a whole renovation, you can add in a floating vanity. And what this does is it elevates the vanity off the floor, so it really makes the floor space seem a lot larger. And another great thing about that is it's great for cleaning. You can really get in there and clean easier. That's a great option. And these floating vanities are really popular right now, and they really give a beautiful modern look to your bathroom. And lastly, the last thing that you can do to really make your tiny bathroom seem larger is putting in a large mirror. And these large kind of builder grade mirrors, a lot of people were trying to get away from those because they didn't like them. But in my opinion, I think for tiny bathrooms, the larger the better. And of course, because of the reflectiveness, this is going to really expand the space and make it seem a lot larger. So definitely consider that when redoing your bathroom. I hope you found these tips helpful. Until then, keep designing your life and I'll see you in the next one.